So on September 15th, 2023, I was out for a jog in the neighborhood and came up to a crosswalk, and I had waited for my light to turn. My light had turned white, so I proceeded across the crosswalk, and there was a driver who either didn't see me or they weren't paying attention, and they ended up running a red light and they hit me in the crosswalk. So I felt that I needed an attorney because I was concerned that the medical bills were going to be very high, and at the time, I was a college student, so I didn't have a whole lot of insurance to cover that. So I was concerned about the ability to pay back the debt and then also get the correct treatment that I needed for my injuries. So I learned about Amaro Law Firm from researching on the web. I was reading the Google reviews and the reviews from Amaro Law Firm, and they were all very highly recommended, so that's why I went with the Amaro Law Firm. So I chose Amaro Law Firm due to the numerous highly rated reviews that I've seen on the website, and I felt that was a good choice for me. So. Yeah, so the outcome of my case was not at all what I expected. Coming into the Amaro Law Firm, I had assumed that it was just going to be they were going to get me some money, get the medical bills paid, and send me on my way. That was not the case. They were very concerned about my well-being. They were with me every step of the way, letting me know, what the bill was, what the process is going to be, what their method of solving that would be. So they were very attentive and very knowledgeable, and I'm happy to say I fully recovered, and all the debt has been paid, so it's a lot of stress off my shoulders, and I'm very appreciative of what they did for me. My experience with Amaro Law Firm has been very, I don't want to say enjoyable, because the whole experience wasn't enjoyable, but they made an unpleasant experience manageable, very easy. So the one thing that the Amaro Law Firm did the best was communication. They were always open about where they're at in the lawsuit process, what the next step is, and then possible outcomes, and what their solution to each and every possible outcome was. So they're very knowledgeable in that case. Absolutely, I would definitely 100% recommend Amaro Law Firm to family and friends. The process was very easy. It was very much a hands-off process other than providing the information. And at the time, as being a college student, they allowed me to focus on my studies. So I was able to graduate on time with a whole lot of stress off my shoulders during that time. It was such an easy process. It was not at all what I expected. Again, totally stress-free, and you guys were amazing at communication as well. So.